Moving on now, China looks nowhere close to winning the battle to contain its biggest COVID-19 outbreak. The COVID situation in China's financial center of Shanghai is in fact worsening as authorities are shaping an exit plan from lockdown. On Sunday, Shanghai reported more than 25,000 new COVID infections. The numbers were below 25,000 the day prior. Symptomatic cases edged down to 914 from over 1,000 due to the rapid surge in Omicron's subvariant. The city is under pressure to curb local transmissions as well as to halt the spread to other regions. After spending more than 3 weeks in lockdown, some areas in China's most populous city are struggling to find food and medicine. The curbs have sharply squeezed supplies of food and other essential goods. Numerous supermarkets have been shut and thousands of couriers locked in. Access to medical care has been a concern as well. While the city government has been distributing food, many residents have complained that deliveries are insufficient. Shanghai has taken measures to deal with food shortage. More delivery workers have been able to get back to work in the city with 25 million residents. It was estimated that about 3,000 additional workers would participate in Shanghai's distribution of supplies. Shanghai Vice Mayor has said that the lockdown could soon be lifted or eased after another round of citywide COVID-19 testing. This will only be in communities that report no positive cases within a gap of 14 days. Trying to get parts of the city back into business, the government has also divided residential units into 3 categories. One of those is called prevention areas that will be opened after 2 weeks of no positive cases. Those living in prevention areas can now move around their neighborhoods, but they must observe social distancing. Also, they could be sealed off again if there are new infections. The other group here is subject to controls after a week of no new infections. The third part of the city is still sealed off completely. City government officials have vowed greater efforts to minimize the impact of the curbs.
我们现在选择的是动态清零，那么要是尽量的尽一切可能来减轻对老百姓的身体健康和生命安全的影响，同时要尽一切可能来有效的精准平衡我们的疫情防控和正常的生产生活的关系，精准的平衡疫情防控和经济社会发展的关系。
WION is now available in your country. Download the app now. Get all the news on the move.